In this video, we learn the HTML basics: first HTML document, second HTML headings, third HTML paragraphs, fourth HTML links, and the last one is HTML image. Now starting with HTML document, all HTML documents must start with a document type declaration, doc type HTML. The doc type declaration represents the document type, and helps browsers to display web pages correctly. HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading. H6 defines the least important heading. Example. HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs are defined with the P tag. Example. HTML links. HTML links are defined with the A tag. Example. HTML images. HTML images are defined with the IM tag. The source file, src, alternative text, alt, width, and height are provided as attributes. Example. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and ensure you press the bell icon.